I'm Paula.
Hi, I'm Cecilly.
I'm her mom.
I'm her daughter.
Welcome to This Made Up Life.
What are we doing today?
So we are getting so excited for fall.
I know, finally.
Finally fall.
Finally fall.
And one of the things that I love about fall is we get to, pull out our sweaters.
Ooh.
So we want to do a whole series of ways to take care of sweaters because
we all have those sweaters that have pills and fuzz, and I still want to wear them.
So we're going to start with pilling sweaters. 101. Welcome.
101. Take notes.
All right. So what you want to do is if you've got a sweater, Cecilly, show us the sweater. Here, this is an amazing sweater. It's 100% wool.
But look how drab it is.
It's been worn. And
worn and worn.
The thing to remember is I know a lot of people get really, really upset about pilling.
Mm-hmm.
Pilling happens.
To everything.
To everything. There are ways to minimize the pilling depending on how you wash it, how much you agitate it. But bottom line is, if you're wearing a seatbelt across your clothes, you're going to get you're going to get some pilling because it's just
friction.
Fibers. The only time you don't get a lot of pilling is if you have something that's a continuous polyester fiber, because that's literally one long strand, and so it doesn't break off into little pieces.
Or plastic.
But if you have natural fibers, they are going to pill.
Yes.
No question. So we're going to show you some neat ways to work on your pilling. The first and the easiest one,
lint roller.
It's the lint roller. Honestly, it's like anything else. If you are attacking it regularly, then you don't really do this a lot to this sweater.
No, I do not. I just wear it.
Okay, so one way to keep it from getting super pilled or super fuzzy like this is to always be, using a lint roller on it. And that's really just going to pick up the loose strands of what's on there. Now this one is way beyond the lint roller.
Yeah.
We took the lint roller and
did
way beyond. So we want to show you a couple other options. The first one is also a real DIY. Dun, 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 dun.
A razor.
A razor. Now,
I shaved my legs with this razor. But I changed the blade.
No comment. All right, you're going to want to be really careful with a razor because if you are too aggressive with this, you are literally going to create a bigger problem. But
you'll cut yourself.
And you'll cut yourself. But when it comes to taking off the pills, like the extra
fuzz,
little balls and stuff, if you're really gentle with this, you can get some of that to come away.
Oh, so frightening. Maybe just don't do this way.
Well, in a crunch, you're in a hotel room or something and you've got to hurry and get rid of some pills on the elbows of your suit jacket. This will do the job for you. So as you can see, maybe in this little tiny square right here.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Can you see it?
If you can't see it, she did it.
So that's using a razor. Now we're going to use some tools that are actually made for
pilling
and defuzzing. The first one is your first plan of attack.
A comb.
Cecilly, tell us about this item.
This is called a sweater comb. Dritz makes it. Sweater comb.
We picked this up at Joann's. Amazon, obviously,
will have it.
But it's got
it's weird. It looks like a nail file, kind of?
Yeah, it's got like this honeycomb.
Like sandpaper?
It feels a little bit like sandpaper, but we're going to use it on this sweater. You ready? But man, I'm getting all kinds of stuff.
When using this tool, you should go lengthwise, correct?
I think you're going to be better off. I mean, we could go this way, but it just makes it hard. It just,
it keeps your sweater looking whole.
Okay, so now we're going to compare this side to this side. And as you can see, it just kind of looks like I combed all the stuff down. So this works. It does take the fuzz off. But now we got to try something else. Because Cecily, this is like a...
This is Raggedy Ann over here.
Yeah. All right. What is this guy?
This is a, what do they call it? A sweater stone.
It's a natural way.
An effective and environmentally friendly way to remove pilling and balling from knits and fabrics.
I'm not sure why this isn't environmentally friendly.
Well,
but anyway, okay. So this is basically it's like a pumice stone. So it doesn't have any really, really sharp edges, but I mean, you know, if I held this up, this thing would practically stick there.
Did it?
No, it didn't. And it's harder to work, but it's a little more aggressive than this guy. And so my thought here is I'm just trying to get some of these big pieces up.
That looks nice.
And voila! All right, so now let's make a comparison.
Ooh. Ooh.
All right, now this last thing,
This is awesome.
I'm not gonna lie, this is now my new favorite tool.
Except the title on it isn't helpful.
No, it's not.
It says complete care, renews clothing.
It's called the Complete Care.
Really? That could
Someone wrote that down on paper?
That could be.
That was edited?
This went to a board. A whole team of
Con
people.
Air, you gotta step up your branding game here. This
Whole
was
team
not
of people said this was fine.
Let me tell you. So we used this guy and we used this guy to kind of lift up what we needed to fix.
Wait for it.
Wait for it. All right, as you can see, you kind of had to go slow, so we sped it up there a little bit so that it didn't take so long. This is definitely not going to be a 5-minute process. It would probably take us a good 20 minutes to do this whole sweater.
At least.
But
it's like
a brand new
freaking
sweater.
New sweater over here. That's amazing.
So it has several settings. Now there are some things you're going to want to be careful with. You do have to empty the little trap here. But look at all that.
Ooh.
Wow.
That's yucky. Dust in here. Can you close that?
But you just close it right back up and then you can come back. Now we did try, we're going to show you how if we didn't comb it first with the other comb, we didn't have as good a result with this little guy. See how it didn't come, it just didn't come as clean as it did over here?
It looks nice, but it doesn't look new.
And so it really, really helped to do this guy first.
To just uproot it, basically.
And it really this guy kind of got rid of all the big baddies.
Big baddies.
like these guys.
Big baddies.
And then take a turn, Seth. Go for it.
So. Terrible. Awesome.
Tried it. So we started doing this, and then of course we got sidetracked because that's how it works around here.
Always happens.
So then we searched everywhere. We wanted to find some other fabrics that had some pilling to see if the Complete Care Complete Care really works on other fabrics. So let's show you. All right, this is a little skirt from Forever 21. It's probably been worn a million times.
Mm-hmm.
And it has got a lot of surface pilling. It's a polyester spandex blend. What happens with this kind of pilling, it's when the spandex fibers poke through, and that's what makes it look like this.
Dang spandex fibers.
So we're gonna see. Now we tried this guy first.
Ugh,
and it's hard to get it to even work on there. I think we're gonna have the same problem with this guy. Yeah. It just doesn't work.
So let's go straight to this.
So we're gonna go straight to this guy. And you know what? We're gonna take it down to the middle one and let's see what happens. So
probably really hard for you to see, but I will be a witness. This looks brand spanking new.
It feels really smooth. It's smoothed out. Now, I just realized we have a problem here.
What's our problem?
Our problem is that we borrowed this skirt from Zoe.
Oh, we're gonna have to do all.
We're gonna have to do the entire skirt.
Sorry, there's a really nice clean spot right here.
But I mean, that's remarkable to me.
Yeah, that looks so
It
nice.
is so
It's brand
nice.
new. That's crazy.
3 ideas for cleaning up clothes that have some little pills or something like that.
Fuzz.
Let us know what other tips and tricks you're looking for to take care of your clothes, because one of the things that has become a huge conversation is sustainability in fashion.
Mm-hmm.
We need to be using and wearing stuff until it wears out, not just because
I don't like it anymore.
Yeah.
But yeah,
I mean, we just have to be more cautious.
let's just be conscious.
So tips like this are fantastic because you can make your clothes
Last longer.
taking care of them the way to go.
Woo.
All right, let us know what you think. Leave a comment below. And if you like the video,
Like it. Oh, that was a neat move.
good going.
Thanks.
Share,
Share the video.
send it to a friend.
Who needs, the friend that has like ugly sweaters? Send it to them.
We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.